Hi, I'm Wilka Toppins. I am an U.S. Immigration and corporate lawyer. I'm the president and founder of Toppins Law Firm, a corporate and immigration law firm based in Houston, Texas. I'm also the founder and president of Toppins Consulting Group, which is a consulting company in Vietnam and in Mexico. I am here to talk to you about the wonderful opportunity of the EB-5 permanent residency visa program for the United States. This is the most direct way to obtain a green card for you and your family, your immediate family, spouse, and children under 21 years of age, unmarried, and obtain the eventual citizenship. I'm so excited to talk to you about this program. And I'm here with me is my friend Manuel Ortiz. Manuel, say hello to the audience.
Hello, my name is Manuel Ortiz. I'm Vice President of Global Business Development for First Pathway Partners. And we're a company that has been involved in EB-5 really since 2008 and have a 100% track record in investors obtaining their permanent green cards. And Wilka, I've known you for many years and it's great to be here with you today.
That's right, thank you so much. So you may have heard about EB-5. EB-5 has been around for a long time. So many of you listening are going, okay, what are they gonna say that I haven't heard before? Well, we have a lot to say, right? A lot to say. So yeah, there's a lot of information out there. I think there's a lot of confusion. There's a lot of misinformation, And
EB-5 has changed.
That's right, and it changed because it's been around since 1990, and that's a long time. I've been a lawyer for 34 years. I graduated in 1990. Yes, I did. And this thing was in place in 1990. So as long as I've been a lawyer, EB-5 has been around, and I can tell you that's a long time. But in 2022, what happened?
So in 2022, the EB-5 program changed. So EB-5 was started by US Congress in 1990 as a way to create jobs in the US. But it didn't really get popular until about 2008, 2009, as the global financial crisis actually happened. And it was a way to get foreign direct investment to help get some of these projects off the ground when the capital markets were basically frozen.
That's right, and I know for a fact because in 2006, I did an EB-5 that was direct EB-5. It wasn't like a regional center, it was just a small entrepreneur that set up a little company and I helped him. And I don't know how he got approved because back then the program wasn't very developed. There wasn't a lot of regulations and nobody really understood it. So essentially, as a result of the economic crisis of 2008, they kind of took the books out of the shelf, they dusted them off, they blew the dust, and then they decided to start really utilizing this program for what it was intended, which is what? Job creation. Job creation. So in your line of work, now you know what I do. I do the immigration side, I do your EB-5. I've done hundreds of EB-5s, very, very good track record with my firm doing that. I love EB-5. What do you do? Tell us what exactly you do. What is your role in the EB-5 industry and why people should know you?
So I've worked at EB-5 since 2013. I've worked in finance since really about 2003. So it's been a while as well. Not quite as long as when the EB-5 program started, but I've seen the different cycles, especially when it started getting really popular going into 08, 09, and then into 2013. The demand for EB-5 just continued to increase. And I think one of the important things whenever you're dealing with families and family decisions, it's important to work with people that have a track record and look at you and your family as more than just an investor. I think that's what's really important. And what I've learned in working with investors from all over the world is that there is one motivation no matter where the investor is from. And that is achieving the American dream, sometimes changing the trajectory of the family for generations, or sometimes it's just so their child can study in the US and have the option to be able to work wherever they want whenever they finish university.
That's right, because once you get a green card, you pretty much can do whatever you want. You can live your American dream any way you want to. You can study, you can go to school, you can invest in a business, you can pretty much live and reside anywhere you want. You can buy, homes, you can buy cars. Really, you can access our healthcare system, you can access our banking system, our credit system. It's really a wonderful opportunity. So I really want to encourage everyone to consider this opportunity. And like I said, there's a lot of misinformation. There's a lot of gossip. There's a lot of my neighbor said something, my neighbor said something. So we want to make sure that between me and Manuel, we've been around this industry for a long time, me on the legal side, Manuel on the business side. We want you to understand how this thing works. We're not going to be able to cover everything in these segments. We're going to have more segments. You need to keep following us. Listen to the next few segments. We're going to go a little deeper into it. But always call us. You see the information on the screen, and we can go a little bit more deeply into it. So listen to the next segment. Stick with us, and we're going to get a little bit deeper into what's this whole EB-5 thing. See you soon.